This is still the A-16 notes, and we have one more example that we're going to do, and that is example 7. You try 7. So we have 3 to the 2x plus 1 equals 5 to the x minus 3. We cannot change them so that they have the same base of anything, so we're just going to be stuck with taking the log of both sides. We don't have to isolate any exponentials, they're already by themselves. So I'm going to take the natural log of both sides, so I have the natural log of 3 to the 2x plus 1 is equal to the natural log of 5 to the x minus 3. So remember that the next step is to take this and bring this in front, because if you have the log of a power, you can bring the exponent in front. Same thing, or log of a power, you can bring the exponent in front. Just be careful that you bring it forward as a quantity. So you're going to have the quantity 2x plus 1 times the natural log of 3 is equal to the quantity x minus 3 times the natural log of 5. Now, in one of the last problems, when we had something like this, back here in this problem right here, rather than distributing this, we divided both sides by ln, and we ended up with sort of a messy arithmetic thing going on here, but it was okay. This one, though, because it's going on both sides, is a little more complicated. So what we're going to have to do is actually distribute. So I'm going to distribute the ln3 to both of these terms and the ln5 to both of these. So that means I'm going to end up with 2x times ln3 plus 1 times ln3, which is just ln3, is equal to x times ln5 minus 3 times ln5. So what we have here is we have 2 terms that have x in it, and we have 2 terms that don't. So I'm going to move all the terms that have x in them over to the left-hand side. So I'm going to subtract x ln5 from both sides. And I'm going to subtract ln3 from both sides. So, and these are not divisions. I just want to emphasize that. I'm subtracting. All right, so on the left-hand side, what's going to happen is we're going to get rid of these, and we're going to be left with 2x ln3 minus x ln5 is equal to, and then on this side we just get, these go away, and we're left with negative 3 ln5 minus ln3. So now, just like a problem that we did before, what you're going to do, I'm going to move down here. We're going to factor out the x out of these 2 terms. So we get x times the quantity 2 ln3 minus ln5 is equal to negative 3 ln5 minus ln3. This whole quantity is what we want to get rid of. So we're going to divide both sides by 2 ln3 minus ln5. So now on this side, this cancels, and we just have x is equal to, and then here's one form of the answer, negative 3 ln5 minus ln3, all divided by 2 ln3 minus ln5. Okay, and note that this could be simplified. You could bring the 3 up here, then there's a subtraction, you could make the quotient and all that kind of stuff, but this is fine for our purposes.